Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials and taking the first actionable step. Open Zoom and sign in. Once signed in, make sure camera and microphone permissions are granted in your OS so audio/video work. Click New Meeting to start instantly or schedule to set time and options. Choose Join with Computer Audio as soon as the window opens. You'll see the toolbar at bottom. Mute/unmute and start/stop video are the immediate controls. This gets you into an active meeting and ready to proceed without delay. Once done with entry, you focus on host controls and content delivery. You'll open participants to mute individual users or hit mute all, make co-host for trusted help and lock meeting when only invited people should enter. When sharing, pick the exact window or screen, then enable Share Computer Sound and optimize for full motion video so playback is smooth. You can create breakout rooms for small groups, launch polls for interaction, and choose local versus cloud recording based on storage and privacy needs. To finish, wrap up the session and secure artifacts. Stop recording, end meeting for all or leave after assigning a new host, and verify cloud or local recordings processed. Make sure meeting settings, waiting room, passcodes, registration, match privacy needs before recurring sessions. If something goes wrong, follow one clear troubleshooting path. Check device selection in audio/video settings, try a different USB port or headset, restart Zoom. And if audio still fails, use phone dial-in as a reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.